my channel. Today, magbablog here ako kasi magmi-media noche kami later night. And isa-show ko yung food namin, yung handa namin. At isa-show ko ngayon yung dress kong isusuot mamaya sa simbang gabi at mamaya, pati sa bukas. Kaya, hindi muna ako magbablog ng marami kasi baka malobat. Kaya i-charge ko pagkatapos nitong vlog. Tapos magsisimbang gabi ako mamaya, night. And pagdating ko, itatanggal ko yung charge dyan. At i-record ko na, magbi-video na ako. Tapos, by the way, I'm showing you my Tito Francis. That name, it's long. Diba, I'm Francis Lynch Cambe. And I'm showing you now this dress, that dress. Look at that. It's dark blue with many polka dots. Look. May kabitan rin siyang hanger. And she have a cinturon, braid cinturon. Wow. And mamaya, maraming paputok. Mamayang gabi, may fireworks, lahat ng paputok. And I love fireworks, paputok. Yeah, it's warm in my dress. And this is ito yung tatak niya. Paper doll. Yeah! Show ko ngayon ang panahon namin. It's windy today. This is my window. I'm going to show you my door. This is my door. Buksan ko na yung door ko. Yeah. This is my door. It's windy today and rainy. Yeah. Yeah. That is the rotot now. And I'm upstairs now. This upstairs. This is second floor. I'm going to ground floor. Oops. Yeah, going to ground floor. The ground floor. Outside. Oops, sorry. And this is the ground floor now. Look, it's raining windy. I'm in my chair. And I have a new case from my tablet. Look at my earring. Look at my earring. Look at my earring. I have a long eyelashes. And please check out my Facebook. The name is Andrea May Marquez. My Musical.ly Andrea May Marquez. My Instagram Andrea May Marquez. Yeah. I'm addicted ng sa mannequin challenge kasi halimbawa kukuha ko ng tubig. Sa tubig, halimbawa lang ha. Tapos pag kukuha ko, iinom ako, bubuksin ko. Naisip na lang ako bigla. Ewan ko bakit. My hair is long now. Yeah. Tagal kong mag-long yung hair ko dati. Short lang yan. Hanggang dito lang yan. Oh. Hanggang dito. Yeah. Kaya tinis ko na lang humaba. Ngayon, mahaba na oh. Yeah. And I'm vloggers. Did you kaya nyo to? I'm gonna move away now. Wanna with the other way. Gonna win company. Gonna sweet candy eat so. Don't want what to say. When I'm done. When I'm gone. You're gonna miss me when I'm gone. No, gonna miss me happy. Mahirap magkapit ng tablet pag magbablog ka. Ito yung ano niya, oh, garter. And it's windy. You heard that? Windy. There's a snowman. It's snow, let it go. Let it go. Yeah. Look at my t-shirt. Merry Christmas. I think hindi ko kasi mabasa. Joyful, a joyful Christmas. Good. Yeah, it's raining now. Yan, lakas. Did you hear that? It's raining now. Malakas ang ulan. Parang yung sumimba na. Malakas ang ulan. It's raining. Mababasa sapatos ko niyan. Baka ending ko na ang vlog ngayon. Yeah. Kaya, i-ending ko na ang vlog ngayon. See you later night. And big thumbs up for this vlog here. And please subscribe here or here. Kung yung mga hindi pa nagsasubscribe dyan, mag-subscribe na dito. Kaya comment down below if I'm making a musically tutorial. Musically tricks. Just comment. Do a musically tricks. Yeah, I'm doing that. Promise. So, bye! See you later!